Hi. So in our department, student talk series is going on. This will be improve our students' communication skills. So one of our students is going to present student talk series and will do well. So these kind of things expect we are expecting from all the students.
Good afternoon to all. This is for student talk series, and my topic is blockchain. So, what is meant by blockchain means we have to store our data in a safe and secure manner means use the blockchain technology. If you want to store a data, but if you are fearing to hacker can access the data means if you use the blockchain technology means it will help you to it will help you to make your data very safe and secure. First, blockchain evaluation. So, first of all, they invented the blockchain for currency, which means cryptocurrency. So, if you are transferring your money to a person, but if you are fearing to, if you are feared, which means the hacker can hack, means that we are using the blockchain to, without hacking, the money will be transferred. Next, blockchain 2.0. After that, they invented in emerging of dApps. Then blockchain 3.0, which is afterwards used in industries and companies, and the last in evaluation is blockchain 4.0. Then blockchain and IoT. If you send if you have the WhatsApp group and you are sending a message under WhatsApp group, there are 1,000 members. Means everyone can see the message, but no one can access it or edit it or anything. They cannot do anything. So that is the example for that. And in IoT, blockchain is a very useful thing. Blockchain in education. So many people trying to get the fake certificates like without doing the degree or without doing any certifications, they are getting some certificates. So that's why we are using the blockchain. In that blockchain, we are giving the certificate number, so no one can make the fake certificates. So everyone, it will be avoided. Then in schools, you have EMIS ID. So yeah, each and every students have the EMIS ID. So in EMIS ID, there are all the details of the student. So no one can do anything. So that also a technique. Then blockchain is a very transparent technique, which means you can access the data in each and everywhere and anywhere, but you cannot access anything and you cannot do anything on that. Then it is a immutable one, so it cannot be changeable. If you store one time, it will be not changed at anywhere. Then nowadays we are using blockchain in many ways, and its advantages are blockchain is again blockchain is a immutable one, which is not transferred to anywhere, and it is a very safe and secure platform to store our data in easy manner. The disadvantages. Blockchain, if you store a minimum data means it will be helpful. But still now we are not inventing the many, which means many more data to store on that. So which is working for that. If you want to store many data means we want to improve our blockchain technology to store our data very safe and secure manner.